In today's smartphone world, ruggedness is no longer optional. It is a must. Cracked screens, dead batteries, and water damage are wrecking phones every day, proving that all the speed and power in the world means nothing if your device cannot survive real life. In 2025, OUKITEL is setting the standard for rugged durability, extreme performance, and all-day reliability, packing flagship-level features, long-lasting batteries, cinematic cameras, and military-grade protection into devices that can withstand rain, dust, drops, and harsh temperatures. Whether you are working on-site, exploring the outdoors, or just need a phone that will not quit, stick around until the end, because each model has a standout feature that will surprise you, and one of them might just be the ultimate rugged phone of 2025. Check the product links in the description for full details and the latest prices. Let's get into it. OUKITEL WP100 Titan. OUKITEL WP100 Titan is a rugged smartphone built for people who demand unmatched power, durability, and features rarely seen even in flagship models, carrying a price tag of $870. Equipped with a massive 33,000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 72 hours of non-stop use. That is 3 full days without searching for a charger. Powered by 66 watts fast charging, it refuels far quicker than expected for a battery this size. It features a built-in 100-lumen projector that transforms any flat surface into a big screen in just 3 seconds with automatic focus. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5th-generation chipset, this phone supports global 5th-generation networks and runs Android 14 with an upgrade path to Android 15. It boasts 48 GB of RAM, 16 GB base, plus 32 GB virtual, and 512 GB of storage. That provides enough space for an entire offline movie library, massive game installations, and countless photos. Photography is another strength. It carries a 200-megapixel main camera, capturing detail even at 30 times zoom. A 32-megapixel front camera with artificial intelligence enhancements keeps selfies sharp, while a 20-megapixel infrared night vision lens captures what the human eye cannot and records 4K video at 18-megapixel level quality for cinematic results. On the front, it includes a 6.8-inch full high-definition plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. For adventurers, the WP100 Titan offers a built-in 1200-lumen camping light, bright enough to rival a car headlight. It provides 5 lighting modes, including SOS and strobe for emergencies, while quad-mode satellite positioning, global positioning system, Beidou, GLONASS, and Galileo keeps you on track anywhere in the world.
OUKITEL WP200 Pro. OUKITEL WP200 Pro 5G rugged phone is the world's first modular rugged smartphone with detachable Bluetooth earphones and a smartwatch, built for adventurers, professionals, and anyone seeking unmatched multitasking power, extreme durability, and all-day convenience at a price of $900. Certified to military standard 810H and IP68, IP69K standards, it withstands shocks, vibrations, drops from 1.5 meters, and full immersion in water and dust, ensuring reliability in the harshest environments. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 octa-core processor built on a cutting-edge 4nm process, it delivers flagship-level performance for gaming, multitasking, and professional workloads while staying power-efficient, all seamlessly driven by Android 15. WP200 Pro comes with 72 GB of RAM, 24 GB base plus 48 GB adjustable, and 1000 GB of internal storage, with support for storage expansion via OTG when needed. That is enough space for massive 4K video libraries, demanding games, and countless high-resolution photos. Fueling the device is an 8800 mAh battery offering up to 1142 hours of standby time, with 33-watt fast charging refilling 50% in just 34 minutes, and reverse charging letting it double as a power bank for other devices. Its 6.7-inch full high-definition plus AMOLED display boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, 2412 by 1080 resolution, 500 nit brightness, and wide viewing angles for smooth scrolling, vibrant visuals, and immersive content even under direct sunlight. Photography gets professional treatment with a 108-megapixel main camera capturing stunning detail and natural colors, a 32-megapixel front camera for sharp selfies, a 2-megapixel macro lens for intricate close-ups, and advanced artificial intelligence shooting modes with 4K video recording for cinematic content. WP200 Pro supports dual 5G SIMs, Wi-Fi 6, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, and features a screen-integrated fingerprint unlock system.
OUKITEL WP300 is a rugged modular smartphone built for professionals, adventurers, and anyone demanding next-level performance, massive storage, and all-weather reliability. Priced at around $500. It packs a massive 16,000 mAh battery built for endurance. Whether you are on demanding job sites or off-grid adventures, this battery easily lasts multiple days on a single charge. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset built on an advanced 6nm process, this phone delivers significantly higher efficiency and performance compared to older 8nm designs. On the front, the WP300 carries a large 6.8-inch Full High Definition Plus display with a 2460 by 1080 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate that ensures fluid gaming, buttery-smooth scrolling, and seamless video playback. Reinforced with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H standards, this display can withstand drops, water, dust, and extreme outdoor conditions without breaking a sweat. Powered by 36GB of RAM, 12GB physical plus 24GB virtual, and 512GB of storage, expandable up to 2TB, it offers enough capacity for massive photo libraries, offline video collections, demanding games, and endless apps without worrying about running out of space. Running the latest Android 15 operating system, it delivers faster performance, better battery management, and enhanced privacy controls. WP300 boasts a 108-megapixel main camera for stunning outdoor detail, a 32-megapixel front camera for professional selfies, and a 2-megapixel macro lens for creative close-ups. It supports T-Mobile networks in the United States but does not work with AT&T carriers, so buyers should keep that in mind before switching. OUKITEL WP56. OUKITEL WP56 is a rugged smartphone built for demanding outdoor environments and off-grid adventures at $400. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 flagship chipset built on a 6nm process, this phone delivers lightning-fast speed while keeping power consumption low. It comes with 36GB of RAM, 12GB base plus 24GB virtual, and 512GB of internal storage with expansion support up to 2TB, providing ample space for work files, photos, movies, and games without any storage concerns. Running Android 15, it offers optimized performance, improved privacy controls, and smarter artificial intelligence efficiency for a faster, more customized experience. Powering everything is a massive 16,000 mAh battery, delivering up to 2,070 hours of standby time or 117 hours of talk time. When it is time to recharge, the 45-watt fast charging fills the battery in just 4 hours. Plus, 18-watt reverse charging turns this phone into a power bank for your other devices. It features a 6.8-inch Full High Definition Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth scrolling, fluid gameplay, and vibrant visuals, while 550-nit brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass keep the screen sharp, readable, and durable even in sunlight or tough conditions. For nighttime adventures, the WP56 includes a 1,000-lumen camping light bright enough to illuminate trails, campsites, or emergency situations. Boasting a 108-megapixel main camera for breathtaking landscapes and low-light shots, a 32-megapixel front camera for professional selfies, a 2-megapixel macro lens for close-up detail, and 4K video for cinematic content creation, the WP56 transforms everyday moments into stunning visuals. Built to military standard 810H and certified IP68, WP56 shrugs off water, dust, drops, and extreme temperatures from -45 to 75 Celsius while offering dual 5G SIM support and full compatibility with T-Mobile networks, making it perfect for serious outdoor exploration where ordinary phones fail. OUKITEL WP39 Pro. At just 15mm thick, it is the slimmest rugged smartphone in the world, combining portability with extreme battery capacity for $350. It features a 6.6-inch Full High Definition Plus display with a 60Hz refresh rate, 450 nit brightness, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection, ensuring clear, sharp visuals even under sunlight or harsh conditions. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 flagship processor built on an advanced 6nm process, this phone delivers smoother app performance, faster multitasking, and improved power efficiency compared to its predecessor. It comes with 36 GB of RAM, 12 GB base plus 24 GB virtual, and 512 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2 TB, giving you ample space for apps, games, photos, and videos without storage concerns. Running Android 14, it provides optimized performance. Powering all this is an 11,000 mAh battery that offers up to 60 days of standby or 75 hours of talk time, and with 33-watt fast charging for quick recharges, boasting a 64-megapixel main camera for landscapes and low-light scenes, a 32-megapixel front camera for flawless selfies, an 8-megapixel night vision lens for low-light photography, and a 2-megapixel macro lens for close-up details, along with 4K video recording. OUKITEL WP39 Pro features an IP68, IP69K dust and waterproof rating with military standard 810H certification, offering 360-degree protection against drops, immersion, washing, knocks, and bumps, while dual 5th-generation SIM support. OUKITEL G3. OUKITEL G3 is a rugged smartphone built for demanding work environments, combining a compact form factor with robust durability and long-lasting battery life at $170. Equipped with 16 GB of RAM, 4 GB base plus 12 GB virtual, and 128 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card, this phone ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for apps, photos, videos, and documents. Powered by a 6,300 mAh battery, it delivers up to 900 hours of standby time, 45 hours of talk time, 9 hours of video watching. It features a 6-inch HD Plus display with a 60 Hz refresh rate, 415 nit brightness, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection, delivering clear, vivid visuals that resist scratches, drops, and rough handling. Built to military standard 810H and certified IP68, IP69K, the G3 resists water, dust, and shocks, operates in extreme temperatures from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius, and survives 1.5-meter drops, making it perfect for long-haul travel, outdoor work, or adventure activities, while dual SIM support, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, and full compatibility with T-Mobile networks, not compatible with AT&T, ensure connectivity, and a built-in toolkit includes essentials like a compass, magnifier, protractor, and plumb line for on-the-go utility. That's a wrap on the best OUKITEL rugged phones of 2025. Built to survive anything while delivering flagship performance, these devices are perfect for work, adventure, or off-grid life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share this with anyone who needs a rugged phone. Check the links in the description for prices and full specs, and hit subscribe for more top-tier tech that won't quit.